Hi guys. Oh my gosh, there's ants everywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Boho Babe Homestead. So I just came home. Well, not my home, because my home is not finished building yet. Where I'm staying next door. And that's my puppy right there. And I saw this girl. We all know this girl. She's been our furry friend since the get-go, and I came and I saw her right here on our steps. I knew she had some puppies, and I haven't seen any of her puppies, but then I saw this little fella right here. That's him right there. Pardon the mess. Our dog makes a mess in the night. This little guy right here. He's not gonna eat that, Christian. He's too young. Probably needs some milk. I'm gonna try. He has some. I'm not scaring him. Come here. He's really chubby.
He's a little bit chubby.
But he has some. I don't know what that is. It looks like burns. Right, he's losing his hair. And he has some fleas. There's another spot on his tail, on his butt. I guess that's where his mom grabbed him. It's a boy.
He's actually, he's a little bit chubby, though.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes.
He's really fat, so he's getting a lot of food. But I'm concerned about this. I don't know what that is. It looks like a burn. So, I have a cage over there. I'm trying to decide if I should rescue him.
Let's just rescue him.
Yeah. Our dog is already a handful. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do. Hey! Hey! Relax! There's ants on him. No! I don't know what I should do. I don't know. I really don't know. I have a soft spot for animals. So, I don't know, probably clean him up. Yeah, I think his mommy brought him to us for help.
He's so cute.
Her owners doesn't look like they feed them, so really don't know what to do.
I just feed them. Alesha.
I don't know if I should just clean him up and keep him. She's not much concerned. I have my flash on. Well, stay tuned, guys. You'll get an update real soon on what I do. Okay, that's not fun. That's not fun at all. She's really... They're already fighting. I don't know what to do, guys.